Hey guys, it's FanFans47 here again, and today, believe it or not, is actually another snow day. Yeah, and not only that, but take a look. Yep, it's another windstorm. How pathetic. Anyway, listen carefully. You can hear all the snow coming down, and the wind is relentless. It's snowing really hard, and look at the screen. It's just blowing all over the place. Sorry about my shaky hands. Yeah, we're supposed to get about 2 feet this time. Oh, there goes my phone. Another chair fell down. Sorry, I'm not using my good camera. Well, it's a good camera, but it's not the handy cam. The shed is all full of snow. Everything's covered in snow right now. Take a look out the other window. Oh, jeez. The snow is literally, it's just... Look at this. It's piling up on the window. Here, let me go close this. Because it was closed in the first place. See, it's piling up, literally. There's the roof, it's all... You can't even see that ball anymore. There's my door alarm. Listen carefully to that wind. Oh, jeez, look at this. Holy crap. That is crazy. So, yeah, and while I'm at it, might as well share a few updates. Pretty soon I'm going to be making fire alarm videos. I'm in the middle of making a homemade system. That's why my bed is so messy. So please excuse that. So, yeah. I'm actually not going to show you what I have so far because I want it to be a surprise. I'll give you a little sneak peek at the panel. Sneak peek. Anyway. So, yeah. And, thanks to Samsung for, all thanks to Samsung for actually letting me take this video. Because, they fixed this camera up, and if this camera wasn't fixed by Samsung, then I would be taking this video with a different camera. So, thank you, Samsung, for letting me take this video. Anyway, so yeah, there's my Mac, and, let's see how the weather looks on my iPod. Oh, notification. Ah, spammers! Can't even count how many spams I've got in my videos. It's just random letters and words. Yeah, it says snow, 32 degrees, low 22, 100% chance. It's going to go down to 90% at 7, then 80 and 70, 30, and it's not going to stop until 1 a.m. Holy crap. The sunset is at 6:49. And, by the way, a few days ago, I think it was on Saturday into Sunday, we put the clocks forward an hour because it was daylight savings weekend. So yeah, it gets darker a little bit later now, and it gets bright a little bit. I think it gets bright. I forget if it's earlier or later, but if you know, you can let me know in the comments. So yeah, there was just a few updates on this snow day, and thanks for watching. Peace.